This is the tutorial on basic 2 qubits operation in Blueqat. We will be doing this tutorial on Google Colab. First of all, we need to install Blueqat. We can install Blueqat using the code !pip install Blueqat. Do not forget the exclamation mark in the beginning. Now let us try it in Google Colab. Type !pip install Blueqat. Now run it by clicking on the play button. Wait for a while and the Blueqat will be installed. Now let us go on to the next part, that is initiation, create circuit and run. First we import the Blueqat basic module and put the CX gate. We can import Blueqat by typing from Blueqat import circuit, and then we put the CX gate and run it by typing the following code. If we run this code, we will get the output as 00. Let us confirm this by trying it in Google Colab. First import the Blueqat using the code that is shown, and then we need to put the CX gate. We put the CX gate by typing the code that was shown earlier. And then run the code by clicking on the play button. As you can see, the output is 00. Now let us see why we get the output as 00. We use 2 qubits this time. The first one is called the control gate and the second one is called the target gate. Only if the control gate is 1, the target gate will flip, which means the qubit in the target gate will change from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 if the control gate is 1. If the control gate is 0, nothing happens. In this case, since the control gate is 0 and the qubits are initialized to 0, 0, no change occurs. Therefore, the output will be 0, 0. Now, let us see the output when the control gate is 1 instead of 0. Type this code in the Google Colab. If you run this code, we will get 1, 1 as the output. Now let us confirm this by trying it in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. Here we put the X gate and then only we put the CX gate. Then we run this code by clicking on the play button. The output is 1, 1. Now let us see how we got 1, 1 as the result. As we know that we are using 2 qubits and these qubits are initialized to 0. The X gate in the code from earlier will flip the first qubit of the CX gate from 0 to 1. Now the qubit in the control gate is 1. As explained earlier, when the control gate is 1, it will flip the target gate. Therefore, the target gate will flip from 0 to 1. Now both the qubits are 1, 1, therefore the result will be 1, 1. Let us go on to the next topic, that is initialized circuit with number of qubits. Usually the circuit automatically specifies the number of qubits, but we can also specify the number of qubits required first and make the circuit. We can do this using this code. We need to simply put in the number of qubits we need in the bracket of the circuit. The output will be 110. This means there were 3 qubits but we used only 2. Let us try this in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. Now run the code by clicking on the play button. The output is 110. That's all for today.